Good evening all. How are you all?
Fine, thank you. How
Okay,
are you, ma'am?
fine,
Fine,
fine.
thank
Thank you.
you.
Okay,
How are
so
you,
we are
ma'am?
fine, fine. Okay, and we are discussing the chapter numbers, and we saw one-digit numbers. And Devadarsh, which are the one-digit numbers? Devadarsh, which are the one-digit numbers? Unmute the device. Unmute the device. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are one digit numbers because we need only one place to write. Okay. And which is the smallest one digit number, Anthony? Smallest one digit number?
1.
1. Very good. The smallest one digit number is 1. Diya KP, which is the biggest one digit number?
9.
9. The biggest one digit number is 9. Now, Diya says, if it is nothing, which number we will write? Diya says
0.
0. We will
0.
write 0. We will write 0. Very good. Okay. Then we saw bundles of 10. Okay. We saw bundles of 10. Okay. So now we put together 10 sticks or 10 ones. So 10 ones is equal to dash 10. Shvanedya, 10 ones is equal to dash 10. How much 10? 10 ones is equal to
10.
10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay. 10 ones is equal to 110. Then we saw the numbers 11. Then we saw 12, 13. Like that we saw. Okay. In the number 11, how many tens and how many one is there? Veda. In the number 11, how many tens and how many ones? Veda.
10 and 1.
Very good, very good. So we have the number 11 and we see 1, 10 and 1, 1. The number is 11. Okay, the number is 11. Then we have 110 and 2 ones. Rose and Francis, what's the number? What's the number? 110 and 2 ones. The number is 12. Okay, and we have 110 and 3 ones. And we are equal. What's the number? 13. We have 13. 110 and 4 ones. Ishan Krishna, what's the number? 14.
14.
Very good. Then we have 110 and 5 ones. Devadesh, listen here. Agnes Trisa, what's the number? 110 and 5 ones. What's the number? 15. We have the number 15. 110 and 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones. Okay, Abel Sijo, what's the number? Abel, listen here. Abel, listen here. 110 and 6 ones. What's the number? What's the number? 110. 16. Good. We have the number 16. 110 and 7 ones. 110 and 7 ones.
70.
And then, what's the number? And then, Smindo, 110 and 7 ones. What's the number? The number is? The number is? 17. The number is 17. Okay. Then we have 110 and 8 ones. Okay. 110 and 8 ones. And Mia Faustina, what's the number? 110 and 8 ones. What's the number?
18.
18. Very good. Then we have 110 and 9 ones. 9 ones. Prithvi, what's the number? 1, 10 and 9 ones.
19.
19. Good. Then we have 2 tens and 0 ones. 2, 10 and 0 ones. Okay. Daksha Lakshmi, what's the number? 2 tens and 0 ones. Say louder.
20.
We have the number 20.
20.
Very good. Then 2 tens and 1. 2 tens and 1. Ayan says what's the number? Ayan says
21.
21. Very good. Then we have 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones. Andrea Anish, what's the number? 2 tens and 2 ones. 22. Very good. Then we have 2 tens and 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Afreen, what's the number? Afreen, what's the number?
23.
Good. Next we have 2 tens and 4 ones. Sarah Rofin, what's the number? 2 tens and 4
24.
ones. Very good. So we got the number 24.
24.
And 2 tens and 5 ones. Ashujit, 2 tens and 5 ones. What's the number? Ashujit.
25.
25. So these numbers we saw last class. Okay. So we saw up to 25. Okay. And let us see. I have 2 bundles of 10. Do you have the bundles of 10? Do you have 2 bundles of 10 in your hands?
Yes.
Okay. So we have 2 bundles of 10 having 20. Okay. Good, Afreen. Okay. Now let us take one more. Okay. 2 bundles of 10 and 1. What's the number? What's the number? 2 tens and 1. What is the number?
21.
21. 2 tens and 2 ones.
22.
2 tens and 3 ones.
23.
23. 2 tens and 4 ones.
24.
2 tens and 5 ones.
25.
Then we have
25.
2 tens and 6 ones.
26.
2 tens and 7 ones.
27.
2 tens and 8 ones.
28.
2 tens and 9 ones.
29.
2 tens and 10 ones. These 10 ones together we can make another bundle of 10. Okay. So we have 3 bundles of 10. So 3 tens are there. So what will be the number? 3 bundles of 10. Okay. So number is 30. Very good. So now we have 3 bundles of 10. Okay. 3 bundles of 10 and 1. What's the number? What's the number?
31.
31. 3 tens and 2 ones.
32.
32. 3 tens and 3 ones. 33. 3 tens and 4 ones.
34.
4. 3 tens and 5 ones.
35.
35. 3 tens and 6 ones.
36.
36. Then 3 tens and 7 ones. 7. 3 tens and 8 ones. 38. 3 tens and 9 ones.
49.
39. 3 tens and 10 ones. Another bundle of 10.
34. 35.
So we have 4 bundles of 10. Okay, we have 4 bundles of 10. Now 4 bundles of 10 I have. What's the number? What is the number in my hand? These all together 40.
40.
Okay? Altogether, so today we are going to write
40.
26 to 35. Okay, 26 to 35. So last class we read how much? Last class we have which number we write last class? Is it 25 or 28?
28.
Okay, let us start with the 29. Let's start with the 29. Okay, now all of you please take a rough book and pencil. Take a rough book and pencil. Okay, you can write the number. Take rough book and pencil.
I
Take
have
a rough book and pencil. Devananda, Aradhya, Ansal, Daksha, Deepak, Nainika, take pencil and rough book. Krishnaraj, Ashif, Anmiya, Rayan, please take. Sagasra, and then please take. Okay. Now let me share the screen once more.
Okay.
Okay? So we can write together. Okay, we can write together. Let me rub the screen. Okay. Now it is clear for you. Now it is clear for you, and let me take pen. Okay, and we have. So which number I should write today first? 29. Yes or no?
Yes.
29. Okay, let us write 29. Okay, so
Okay.
for 29 we have to write, we have to draw 2 bundles of 10. So we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also write, okay, bundles of 10. So now we have 2 bundles of 10 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can see 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. What's the number?
29.
29. And the number name TW NTY 20 NINE NINE 9. So we have 29. TWENTY NINE 29.
And 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we have the number 29 having 2 tens and 9 ones. Having 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones.
21, 22, 23.
Having 2 tens and 9 ones. We have 29 having 2 tens and 9 ones. And we have next number. Arav Arun, what's the next number? Arav Arun, what's the next number? 30. Okay, 30. How many tens? 30. Arav? How many tens are there in 30? Very good. Okay, very good. So we have next number 30 having 3 tens. 1, 2. The next one is third one. So we have 3 tens and 0 ones. 3 tens and 0 ones. So the number is 30 and the number name spelling STHIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. You have to know the spelling by heart. There may be question, write the number name. So we have to write the spelling. So write and study the spelling. 20, 30. If you know 20 spelling, we can just add 21, 22, 23. And like that 30 also you have to write and study. Okay. 31, 32, like that. Andrea, which number you are writing now? Is it 29 or 30? Who is doing? Who is drawing the bundles of 10? So we have the number 30 having 3 tens. Having 3 tens.
Writing 10D.
Shall we move to the next number? 31?
Yes.
Okay. So we have 31. Fia, in 31, how many tens and how many ones? Fia?
Three
Very, ah,
tens and one.
very good, very good. 3 tens and 1. So we have next number 31 having 3 tens. Having 3 tens. Having 3 tens. Having 3 tens. And 1. So we can write 3 tens and 1. So 3 tens and 1. We can write the number 31. We can write the number 31. So the spelling of 31. THIRTY. 30. ONE. Very good. 3 tens and 1. And we have the number 31. We have the number 31.
New one.
Afia, what about 32? How many tens and how many ones? Afia, how many tens and how many ones?
3 tens
Ah,
and
ah. How many ones in 32?
2.
Very good, very good. So we have 3 tens and 2 ones. So let us draw bundle of 10. And 2 ones. So 3 tens and 2 ones. So 3 tens and 2 ones. So the number is 32. The number is 32. The spelling of 32. THIRTY. 32. TWO. TWO. TWO2. 32. THIRTY. 32. TWO. THIRTY. 32. TWO. So we have the number 32 having 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. Krishnaraj, what about the 33? How many tens and how many ones? Krishnaraj, how many tens and how many ones in the number 33?
30.
We have 3 tens and
3 1.
3 ones. Very good. So we have 3 tens and 3 ones. We have 3 tens and 3 ones. Three tens and 3 ones. So 3 tens and 3 ones. Three tens, 3 ones. So we can write 3 tens and 3 ones. So we have 3 tens and 3 ones. So 3 tens and 3 ones. So the number is 33. And the spelling is THIRTY. 33. THREE. THIRTY. 33. THREE. 33. THIRTY. 33. THREE. Devananda, what about the number 34? How many tens and how many ones? 34. How many tens? The number 34. Which is the first digit in 34? 3. Okay. And the next one is 4. So having 3 tens and 4 ones. Devananda, how many tens are there in 34? 3 tens
3 tens
and
and
4 ones.
4 ones.
3 tens and 4 ones.
3 tens and 4 ones.
34.
34.
Then what about the 35? Can you say 35? How many tens and how many ones? Devananda. 3 tens.
3 tens.
And how many ones in 35? 34 having 3 tens and 4 ones. So 35 having 3 tens and how many ones?
5.
Very good, very good. 5 ones. Okay. So we have 3 tens and 3 ones in 33. Next we have 34. So 34 having 3 tens and 4 ones. Three tens and 4 ones. Three tens and 4 ones. So we can write 3 tens and 4 ones. So we have the number 34 and the spelling THIRTY. 30 four. Four. So 34 having 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones. Yes.
I need 31.
Okay. So you want to see 31? You want to see 31? Okay. So please write 31. Having 3 tens and 1 1. 31. 3 tens and 1 1. 31. Then 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. 3 tens and 3 ones. 33. 3 tens and 4 ones. 34.
A
We
N
have
R double E.
Pia. Now which number you are writing?
34.
Okay, right. $34. We have the number 34.
Voice.
3 tens and 4 ones. So next number is 35. So 35 having 3 bundles of 10 and 5 ones. So 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones. We have the number 35. So the spelling THIRTY 35 FIVE 5. THIRTY 35 FIVE 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
32.
You
Ma'am,
want to
32.
okay, I will show you 32. Yes. Okay, good. Some are still writing. Let them write. Okay. Okay.
Finish.
Okay. Okay. So those who didn't complete, let them complete. Okay. Shivanidhi, now which number you are writing?
9:34.
Okay, right. So these notes I will put in the WhatsApp, okay? And you can write from the WhatsApp now, WhatsApp group, okay? And also tomorrow is a holiday, no, Sunday, no? So I will give some more these numbers, okay? So that also you have to write in the max notebook. Okay, will you do it?
Yes.
Okay. So Monday we have to
Yes.
okay? Otherwise we will lose time. Okay. So now it's time to winding up. Okay. So I will send the same notes in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I will send the same notes in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can write from there. And tomorrow also I will send some. Means we have to reach up to 50. Then Monday we can take a next exercise. Okay. So tomorrow also you have to do some more in the max notebook. It's the same thing. Continuation up to 50 we will write. Okay. So you just also you have to write and study the spelling of these numbers. Okay. 30, 40, if you know it will be very easy. Then for writing 31, 32 like that. Okay. So by heart the spelling also. Number name. Okay. So let me wind up for today's session.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.
Thank you.